There are so many options when it comes to wireless earbuds. We've got companies like Sony, Jabra, Bose, Samsung, Apple, and now even OnePlus that have wireless earbuds. I've been using the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro wireless earbuds for about 3 months now, and while they're amazing, some will still decide to pass on the price point and design, or others will pass because it just doesn't meet their expectations when using them for working out. If you do want to check out the review on the Liberty 2 Pro earbuds, I'll leave a link of the video in the description down below. Hold up now, Anker has more earbuds, no worries. These are the Anker Soundcore Spirit X2 wireless earbuds. Anker reached out to me if I wanted to check out the Spirit X2 wireless earbuds, so Anker, thank you again for the awesome opportunity. Anker is an amazing brand when it comes to portable chargers, cables, wireless chargers, the phone's peripherals. Now, just as a heads up, this video is not sponsored. I've always enjoyed the products that Anker would come out with, and after using the Liberty 2 Pros, they also deserve some fame in the audio department. Anyway, let's get right into the review. Design. Let's start with the charging case. This isn't the same discreet and pocketable case that you'll find in something like the Liberty 2 Pros. It's wide and not exactly the easiest to fit in your pockets. If you put it in your pocket, it will stick out. On the front are also 3 small LED lights that let you know how much battery is left when you open the lid. On the back of the case is a small flap protecting the USB-C input and a small button for pairing. When you open the lid, you'll get to the earbuds, which are accompanied by rubberized ear tips. Do note that these ear tips tend to attract dust because of the rubber. These earbuds come with the round hook earbuds design, but with a literal twist. When you put them in your ear, you have to twist them to lock the earbuds in place, and when you do, you'll realize that the bulk of the earbud is actually vertical along the ear. It does take a while to get used to, but once you do, the earbuds fit in place perfectly. I have not had any issues of the earbuds falling out of my ear, and if that were to happen, Anker does provide extra ear tips in the box. These earbuds are IP68 certified, which means protection against dust and water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Anker calls it extreme sweat-proof. There is what they call sweat guard technology to resist the corrosive nature of sweat. It lasts 100 times longer than ordinary true wireless earbuds thanks to a submarine structure and the hydrophobic nano coating. Now, I don't know if 100% buyers look at this, but all I can say is their IP68 rating really holds to its claim. I've been using these during my morning workouts and morning walks, and I've got to say the sweat and partial water they've seen has not affected them at all. Connection. The Anker Soundcore Spirit X2s will automatically connect to the device as soon as you take them out of the case, which is super handy. It's also pretty good at automatically disconnecting when you put them back in the case. Now these are rocking Bluetooth 5.0. Another thing to take note of, and I've seen a lot of people who look for this particular feature, but that is single use. You can use each earbud dependently. Actually, this is not only compatible with these set of earbuds, but almost all of the earbuds that Soundcore offers. Whether you want to use the left or right earbud alone, you have the option to. Each earbud has a single button and the controls actually take a while to get used to. A single press on the top part of the right button will increase volume, while the bottom part of the right button will pause and play music. A brief hold on the top part of the right button will forward the soundtrack. A single press on the top part of the left button will decrease volume, while the bottom part of the left button will pause and play music. A brief hold on the top part of the left button will reverse the soundtrack. A brief hold on the bottom part of both the left and right button will change the bass, whether you want normal or bass up. Now, there isn't any associated app with these earbuds, which is a bit unfortunate, but for $80, I'm not really stuck on that. Sound. Now, I'm by no means an expert on sound quality. I do know the basic terms, but that's it. However, I can also tell what good sound quality is. It's like I said it before in one of my other videos, like a human instinct. The bass, the mids, the highs on these earbuds are actually pretty darn good. However, the Spirit X2s tend to focus on more bass, and I personally have no problem with, to be honest. I've had no issue with listening to music or podcasts, and I actually listen to more podcasts for that matter. Everything is precise and super clear, and since I use these earbuds for working out, I really have no issue. Battery life. Now, Anchor claims that the Spirit X2s will last you 9 hours of constant playback on a single charge with the charging case, providing up to 36 hours with the charging case. And you know what? That was super accurate. A single charge for me lasted about 9 hours and 15 minutes. I absolutely love when I don't need to worry about charging my earbuds. I've been using these earbuds for nearly a month now, and I'm just super impressed. I typically use earbuds for about 30 to 45 minutes every day when I'm working out or walking or just listening to a podcast, which equates to being able to use the earbuds for an extra 3-4 days. So, long battery life? Count me in. I have so many earbuds that I've tested and nothing has come close to these pair. If battery life is important to you, then do consider these. Unlike the Liberty 2 Pros, the Spirit X2s do not have wireless charging, so you can only charge it via USB-C, which honestly, thank you. There are still companies that insist on using micro USB in 2020. I want to keep praising anybody who uses USB-C. Thank you, Anchor. Thank you, Soundcore. Every company and brand is shifting to USB-C, and it's quite normal to see them in phones. However, when we get micro USB in earbuds, it just adds one extra cable, which might not seem like a problem, but having that one cable to charge all of your devices is super useful. A 10-minute charge converts to 2 hours of playtime. In the battery department, these earbuds have earned an A+. Verdict. For the retail price of $79.99, or let's just say $80, I would recommend these earbuds to anybody that's looking for a relatively inexpensive set of buds, as well as anyone who is in the workout game. I've been using these, like I've said that throughout the entire video, but I've been using these to work out and for my daily walk, and they have come in real clutch, especially with the design and fit. These won't break the bank, and the sound quality is actually on point for what you're paying for. I'm giving these bad boys an A. In fact, I'll switch out my Liberty 2 Pros as of this video for the Spirit X2s. All you need is a set of buds that will suffice your needs. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.